The development of possible threats and a need to patrol and cover space in the Pacific region may be key reasons why the US Air Force is seriously preparing to acquire a larger number of B-21 Raiders. The commander who oversees air power in the Pacific region says the service needs long-range aircraft, tankers, stealth, and hypersonics in the region to stay in front of what he describes as the pacing threat, also known as China. China is out in front of the Russians and North Koreans, General Kenneth Wilsbach, commander of the Pacific Air Forces, told the Mitchell Institute for Aerospace Studies in a special video interview. If we can compete with the Chinese, we will by default be able to compete with the others. Wilsbach listed several key areas of focus needed to pursue this aim, including an increase in aerial tankers. Tankers are an important part of what we need. There are not many places to land and get gas because of the open ocean, he said. Covering vast distances at speed, Wilsbach said, is also why Air Force Pacific Command is greatly in need of hypersonic weapons. Hypersonics give the adversary so little time to react, and of course it is hard to hit a target that is going that fast, Wilsbach explained. Wilsbach also said there was a very large need for stealth in the Pacific to ensure various kinds of stand-in attack options existed as well. We do need stealth so we can get inside their networks and their sensors so they don't know we are there, or that when they do find out, it is too late, Wilsbach said. The Pacific Theater and the Chinese threat, in particular, are just a few factors that influence the way the Air Force and the Pentagon think about the B-21 Raider. The Air Force has formally stated that the program would grow to about 100 new B-21 Raiders, yet more recent discussion and comments from senior service weapons developers have indicated that the actual number of B-21 Raiders delivered will likely wind up being much higher. Certainly, the development of possible threats and a need to patrol and cover space in the Pacific region may be key reasons why the Air Force is seriously preparing to acquire a larger number of B-21 Raiders. Thank you everyone for watching this video.